This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Video, we'll be looking at how to remove the padding around an image block on a Squarespace blog page. So here we have our image blocks on one of the posts where we've removed all the padding so that they're actually touching each other. And I'll show you how to get that done. So here's what a regular site looks like without any changes. As you can see, once you add those images, it automatically has some padding right around them. So to change that, what you do is to go into the back end of the site. You're going to hover over the blog page and go to Settings. Next, you're going to click Advanced. Scroll down to Page Header Code Injection. And here you're going to type Style. You're open and closing tags for style. Then you're also going to add .image-block and add your opening and closing curly braces. Right between those, you're going to add padding :0, and very important would be exclamation mark important, and that will override the normal padding that's applied to the image, and you're going to hit save. So once that's done, looks like we've lost our columns. So I'll just hit save again on my columns. There we go. So once that's done, your images will be side by side and all that padding that was around the image block will be removed.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.